Hi everyone, Josh from Osmodo here. Today I'm going to discuss the number one tip to making high quality motorcycle videos on YouTube. So the number one tip I'm going to discuss is something that I see so many content creators get wrong, and it's something that I actually got wrong in my earlier videos, and I always wondered why my quality looked good in the raw videos when I've rendered it. However, when I uploaded it to YouTube, all of a sudden it was all pixelated, grainy, and didn't look good. So let's actually look at an example first. So I'll pull up one of my older videos here, and I'm just going to play a short section of it. And if you take a look, you'll notice that it looks quite pixelated. So the quality's not bad, but with the movement you'll see that there's a bit of pixelation that's getting picked up. And when reviewing the raw video, this is something that doesn't come up on the video. So it has to be somewhere that YouTube is causing the issue, and I couldn't find out why. So let's look at a more recent video now. So this is a more recent video, and if I press play, you'll see here that the quality is much better, and it doesn't have that graininess and pixelation that the earlier video had. So what actually causes it? Well, you can actually have a look on your videos, and what we're going to look for is the codec that your video was assigned by YouTube. So if you have a look, you right click your video and go to stats for nerds, you'll see here the codecs displayed. Now if you have AVC1, that's the poorer quality video, and this is what my earlier video has. If we take a look at my more recent video and we check that one, that's got VP09, and that's the one that you want. Now there's a way to actually force YouTube to give you the VP09 codec, and I'll show you that now. So here I'm in my video editor. I use DaVinci Resolve, but it doesn't matter which one you use. The way that you actually force YouTube to give you the VP09 codec is by actually using rendering your video in either 2K or 4K. And if you do that, when you upload it and the high definition processing occurs, YouTube will force VP09 on your video, and you won't get the graininess from the AVC1 codec. You get the AVC1 when uploading in 1080p. Now you may see some users actually getting VP09 with 1080p. As far as I can tell, the larger the YouTube channel, the more that YouTube will push the VP09 even if you don't upload in 2K or 4K. However, for us smaller content creators, we need to be uploading in either 2K or 4K to get the VP09 codec, which removes that graininess. I hope that's been useful. I know it's something that I struggled with, and there's not really much content out there discussing this, but it's something that you can easily fix and be able to release good quality videos. Give the video a like if it helps, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.